Mag-aalas 8 kagabi, oras sa Timor-Leste, inaresto si dating Negros Oriental Congressman Arnolfo Teves sa kanyang bahay sa lungsod ng Dili. Puwersahan umano siyang dinampot. Napayakap pa nga si Teves sa kanyang abogado. Lord!
Karena aja betul. Meeting dulu niya subang produksi Obrigado. Select halaman है
You are under arrest by virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by Manila Court on September 2023 for 10 counts of murder, 12 counts of frustrated murder, 4 counts of attempted murder. In addition to that, in 2024, a warrant of arrest was also issued against you by the Dumaguete Court for murder, for illegal possession of explosives, for illegal possession of firearms, and for the Terrorism Financing Prevention and Suppression Act. Ginoong Arnolfo Teves Jr., kayo po ay may karapatan malaman ng iyong karapatan. At ito po ang mga sumusunod. Kayo ay may karapatan tumahimik. Anuman ang sasabihin mo ay maaaring gamitin sa iyo o laban sa iyo sa hukuman. Kayo ay may karapatan kumuha at umili ng abogado. Kung wala ho kayong kakayanan, kumuha ng abogado, bibigyan ho kayo ng ating gobyerno. Naiintindihan niyo po ba yung mga karapatan na yun? Sir. Thank you po.
Ikaw nila ako by force.
Kailan yun, sir? 2 days ago? 2 days ago?
Alam mo, wala naman akong problema kung mapauwi ako pa sa akin. Tama lang.
Sir, dahil lang, sir.
Sige, sir.
Huwag mo lang mainit.
Hindi, malamig dito siya. Malamig dito
Mamaya na.
Mamaya na.
Okay, sir. So, nandito ka na sa aming custody. Serve naman sa namin sa iyo yung warrant mo sa Pilipinas. Okay, please.
I was first informed of this development by Prime Minister Gusmao during the ASEAN meeting that I just returned from in Kuala Lumpur, that Timor-Leste was ready to send Teves back to the Philippines. This would not have happened without the assistance of President Horta and Prime Minister Gusmao of Timor-Leste. They have been working very hard to bring this to a conclusion. As we know, the former Congressman Arnie Teves is facing charges of murder and other crimes related to the ambush killing of the former Governor Digamo. We would like also to assure all our citizens that such lawlessness will not go unpunished. And it is now time for Arnie Teves to face justice.